Hey, hi everyone, hi guys. So here I am back again. My name is Jashish Mujumdar, and I came here again for the give entertainment to all of you. So let's start. So I came here especially for one thing that on this day, yeah, today is the day. Uh, the date is today is 14th June. So on this day, a very young actor was died. If I will say to all of you that what is his age, then it really shocked your both the ears. Like this only happened with the art also. I mean, when he died, every entire world, it's not only the entire world, the Bollywood industry was also very shocked when he died. The Bollywood industry, I mean, the industry was very in a very the pathetic situation. He died at a very young age. He died at the age of 35. You friends just say me, is this is an age to die? No, it's an age to live. It's not an age to die, it's an age to live. But what I will say now, the death is not in your hands or my hands. It's all about the hands of God. So I came here specially for one thing, that death has really no destination. When someone will die, it has already written in his forehead. So I must say one thing to all of you, that please stay safe, stay happy, and always be much care of your health. Uh, I will say to all of you just one thing, that when he has died, I means really cannot stop my the both eyes tears. It's really a very, I mean, when he died, the date is 14th June 2000 and with 14th June 2020. So it's really a very for me, means not for me, the all of us, it's really a very the pathetic situation. When he has died, everyone has cried. It's really shocked the entire Bollywood industry and the world too. I mean, nobody knows that he has died. Nobody has an idea that the actor means, if an actor will die, it's okay. But this actor, who is a very talented and the very the legendary man he was. So I came here specially dedicate some songs for him. Uh, and the actor is no one. He's our the great younger modern generation actor, Sushant Singh Rajput. So here, my friends, let's begin the song. खैरियत पूछो, कभी तो कैफियत पूछो, तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल है। दिल मेरा देखो न, मेरी हैसियत पूछो, तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का 100 साल है। अनजान है तय मेरा, होना तुम्हें है मेरा, जितनी भी हो दूरियां फिलहाल है। ये दूरियां फिलहाल है। ओ खैरियत पूछो, कभी तो कैफियत पूछो, तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल है। दिल मेरा देखो न मेरी हैसियत पूछो, तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल है। अनजान है तय मेरा, होना तुम्हें है मेरा, जितनी भी हो दूरियां फिलहाल है। ये दूरियां फिलहाल है। तुम्हारी तस्वीर के सहारे मौसम कहीं गुजारे, मौसमी ना समझो पर इश्क को हमारे, नजरों के सामने में आता नहीं तुम्हारे, मगर रहते हो हर पल मंजर में तुम हमारे। गर इश्क से क्या गिला, फिर गर्ग से क्या गिला, इस दर्द में जिंदगी खुशहाल है। ये दूरियां फिलहाल है। ओ खैरियत पूछो, कभी तो कैफियत पूछो, तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल है। दिल मेरा देखो न मेरी हैसियत पूछो, तुम्हारे बिन दीवाने का क्या हाल है। अनजान है तय मेरा, होना तुम्हें है मेरा, जितनी भी हो दूरियां फिलहाल है। ये दूरियां फिलहाल है। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू very very much. Goodbye friends, have a nice day. Bye bye.